we've come back again.
Yeah.
And it's Tuesday. Now, I think today's stories are very emotional for Liverpool fans. And for African footballers, African football fans. And also, most especially, for the Muslim community. Any Arab Africa.
Okay.
Because I think Mohamed Salah ain't just a representation of Africa. We make a mistake and make it look like say Salah being the player that he is just a representation of say African. So we constantly go back and say that he's one of the greatest African players and all of those things. But Salah's story, goes beyond the African continent. It goes beyond the African terrain.
Okay.
In fact, it is one that cuts across races because Mohammed is Muslim or African. Of course, it's Arab Africa, not Africans for no. And for the larger part of almost football history, I think say you get somebody that represents that kind of the race to be dominant in football. And Mohamed Salah has been the guy. Sometimes, say, analysts be creating the modern footballer be take over the Premier League. It is probably it's all academy way or academy way or graduate koha or say all the nice structural things. But that is not the story of Mohamed Salah from Negrig in Egypt. Then the story of Basel, Chelsea, Fiorentina, Roma.
Mincha anona obetumi atwe wala pe na ba anim ha kakra ayese watade no etwitwe huti no ma na ye kakra enti no twebra kakra fa ba na afi baba bi sa I think say be
okay. It's for me that's been the story of Mohamed Salah.
Perfect. Is okay.
My name said nah obi edadwen who said that was going to be the day Mohamed Salah be free one.
Because once na eba na eko Salah beko Salah enko yate se Saudi fans so Premier League players ni bi o ha wo mo ni o makasa ye beba Mohamed Salah kan o efi de beba ti there be enya nko ne ade so na ense da nye wonwa bia sa de bet na me expecting
especially at the time.
Yeah.
Now, I can say me on a statement that hits me, and I want to go through with it.
Okay.
Also, unfortunately, the day has come. This is the first part of my farewell. I will be leaving Liverpool at the end of the season. I wanted to start by saying that I never imagined how deeply this club, this city, these people will become a part of my life. Liverpool is not just a football club. It's a passion. It's history. It's a spirit. I can't explain in words to anyone not part of this club. We celebrated victory, we won the most important trophies, and we fought together and through the hardest times of our lives. I want to thank everyone who was part of this club throughout my time here, especially the teammates, the past and present ones, and to the fans. The part that hits me is when he described Liverpool, say a spirit.
Also, when you're
part of the Liverpool football club, when he explains in words to you, you don't understand. And I think that is when coincidentally now, and I think this is well known. Me per football documentaries. In fact, I like general documentaries. Means me show movie. Ending say meet until somebody has recommended the song to me, especially also for movies. It's idea I go to power is either listen to the news or watch documentaries. It's a new and me flip through Amazon Prime. And I mean who Liverpool for doubters to believers no. So make one of me share Jurgen Klopp doubters to believers. It was in watching that documentary now. And I'm finding out say Jurgen Klopp crown. One now news about the coach. Not Jurgen Klopp ever minds no. No minds wanna try saying they will qualify to the German Division 1 Bundesliga no. No we are in fact. And we are in fact. Jurgen was one of the oldest players our minds team. And our coach Ekacho will say could be we just players no dem one. Omo nyinaa be na opie about person players ne catch and say whether they want him to be there as coach or they don't want him. Now time a coach the bar back. No players na catch any some pay or no coach no nyade. No coach ni some boada. And yes adia oba pam all the senior players our minds team in him. Now at the time the coach called the sporting director. And the sporting director had to make a decision between either keeping the players or keeping the coach. Sporting director said Debbie, obe keeping players now. He made the coach go. On that night, Tuesday, the next morning, Mainz 05 had to play a game. They didn't have a coach. That was when Jurgen Klopp on the sporting night and said, Jurgen, we want you to be the coach. I see at the time, in Germany, Ludasi said, now, dada media for no. The next morning, Jurgen was the coach, and that is how he coaching Jenny started as a manager. So, I was watching this documentary. Then I pick up my phone, and coincidentally, Mohamed Salah says that he's leaving Liverpool at the end of the season. I'm saying, wow, what a coincidence. What were the odds? So, on the day I'm watching the Doubters to Believers documentary of Jurgen Klopp, it's at the same time I bet your friend Mohamed Salah echo. And I don't know what your fondest memory of Mohamed Salah is. But only my fondest memory of Mohamed Salah. My greatest memory of Mohamed Salah was Sobe Kaya. Time at Bastoni for one show 3-0 na omo Anfield no. Mohamed Salah no go be. Not the bench. But he wore a t-shirt. Sobe Kaya. Just when he was leaving the dugouts to go to the field, no actually want him say believe. I was shirting in him. And it was on that night that Liverpool turned it around. Maybe that probably is one of the best nights of Mohamed Salah footballing career. Again, in that Champions League final, almost everybody was sad in that stadium. I think it was in France. Yeah. When Kobo side final with Madrid. And I said, Ramos etching in sir. They will play almost a channel off. Liverpool could not win that final. But
final no film crowd, but emotions now no carry her. Time I know
I'll be free park and so then you could tell how good he is. Now, and now every player across clubs have sent their congratulatory messages to our brand friend Mohamed Salah. Now what Andy Robertson, a very close pal of his, can say 9 of the best years of our lives with amazing memories on and off the pitch. Watching you became the best, watching you become the best of what you do and become one of the best to ever have worn the Liverpool shirt has been a joy to watch and be a part of. Your mentality is second to none. And a lot of people could have taken notes. You have pushed yourself every single day and always demanded more from yourself and others. A pleasure sharing the pitch with you for as long, but even more so being able to call you a friend. You deserve a send off that reflects status of Liverpool Football Club, the greatest, second to none. Is Mohamed Salah the greatest Liverpool player ever in the modern history of the club?
And then a question, you know.
Stevie G did not win the Premier League. I know that for a lot of people in the recent history of the club, Stevie G, he didn't win the Premier League. Mohamed Salah won the Premier League twice. Maybe Stevie G won European trophies more than Mohamed Salah. But the Premier League, one trophy that eluded Liverpool inside years, that is what Mohamed Salah brought to Liverpool Football Club. Also winning golden boots almost every year. The numbers, are staggering. Premier League 2019-2020, Premier League 2024-2025, Champions League 18-19, FA Cup 21-22, EFL Cup 21-22, FIFA Club World Cup 2019, and Abanti Afed Mohamed Salah winning 435 games, 255 goals in Premier League, and of course 122 assists for Liverpool. And all-time Liverpool goal scorers now, he is just 30 goals away from Roger Hunt.
Wow.
Then a couple more from Ian Rush. Ian Rush record don't even break it.
346.
And even the 30 goes to Roger Hunt at the end of the day because the number of games left to end the season. But still, to be in top 3, Liverpool's highest goal scorers. So maybe Steven Gerrard Mother. Who is going to come? I mean, it's probably going to stay on for another century in Abanti friend Mohamed Salah. The Puskas that he won as well. October 2021, Salah became the first visiting player in the Premier League history to score a hat-trick at Old Trafford. It wasn't done, especially in a big derby between Manchester United and its team, my friend, in Liverpool. He has been voted PFA Players of the Year 3 times during his spell at Liverpool, with victory in 2017, 2018, 2021, 2022, 2024, 2025. first player ever in the history of the Premier League while winning the PFA Player of the Year. And you see, Gabi, Anna says supporters air Twamawa. Say Liverpool supporters those one they can vote for you because only Liverpool for.
Okay.
But the big issue is if you're able to get 1,000 PS. It's just like a Juma Yeye.
Yeah.
If a fan season says, oh, Fifi, me analysis is nice. But when a colleague calls you and says, Jack, that job that you do a top job, you say next level in terms of commendation. And that is what players like Mohamed Salah, two, 3 times. And it's the very first time a player there in the history of the English Premier League, in the history of Premier League, and there was a bunch of friend Mohamed Salah. Salah has also been selected as the Football Writers Association Football of the Year 3 separate occasions, 18, 22, 25. Nhyira Mohamed Salah winning. But for me, the records Nhyira winning the Golden Boots of the Premier League 2017, 2018. 2018, 2019, 2021, 2022, 2024, 2025, 4 times. He holds the record with Thierry Henry.
So, sound starting being 2017,
2018, 2018, 2019, 2021, 2022, 2024, 2025.
So,
Golden Boots.
In a suspense. Yes. And yes, be our budget. No,
you can say because 18, 19, 17, 18, back to back. And then there was 1 year in between. Then came 21, 22, then 24, 25. Quality.
Very solid.
Oh, yeah. And he holds that record with somebody that is considered one of the greatest attacker in the modern day history of the Premier League, Thierry Henry. Or who this record with him. So he tells you how much of a great player Mohamed Salah is. Which, Gabi, their records are a lot more. Another one, we also have 4. And what is that trophy? There have also been 4 inclusions in the PFA Premier League Team of the Year. So there can be a year that he doesn't win the award full time, but he's in the inclusion of the team. 2017, 2018, 2020, 2021, 2021, 2022, 2024, 2025. Mohamed Salah. 5 times this time, Salah has reached 30 goal mark in a season. And you know, for somebody to score 30 goals in a season,
and easy. And easy,
and yes, small. So it was 30 goals in a season, and that's what Mohamed Salah has done in 5 seasons. 5 seasons. So Salah at Liverpool for 9 years. It means that he has had 9 seasons. Majority of them was 30 plus goals. So this guy, now maybe people can understand why and Liverpool for it say Salah, how do you replace him? Kofa Viet, Kofa Kitiki, Kofa Ishak.
That's enough for more pro.
Yes, because so maybe 30 goals a season, 5 out of 9. You know that this is huge, and it is difficult for you to fill such a boot. And he did that 44 goals in 2017-2018. In 2020-2021, was 31 goals. 2021-2022, 2022-2023 was 30 goals, and 2024-2025 was 34 goals over there. He has been named the Premier League Player of the Season 7 times out of the 9 times that he has been at Liverpool. A record figure shared with Sergio Kun Aguero and their friend Harry Kane. Salah's Anfield career has included 8 major trophies, 2 Premier League titles, 1 Champions League as well, FA Cups, EFL Cups, and of course, Club World Cups as well. Mohamed Salah holds the Premier League record for the most goals, the most times in which a player has both scored a goal or assisted, 42 times, 53. No one in the history of the Reds history, that is Liverpool, more than the Egyptian international in European fixtures, with 48 of those coming in the Champions League. Everything that Mohamed Salah touched at Liverpool was obviously great. Of Salah's catalogue of 92 assists have been served in the Premier League, which no player, other Liverpool player has betted. Gerrard Steele with 92 as well. 151 in September 2021. He reached a milestone of 100 goals for the Reds in his first 151 games. That is a record also at Liverpool. 255 goals scored, the 3rd highest in the club's history, like we did mention earlier on. Mohamed Salah's goal contribution in the Premier League, 281, in the most player ever in the club's history. Our Liverpool. What do you want to see? Then our person to Mohamed Salah side. Everything just top level and clear from our brand friend Mohamed Salah. Before Mohamed Salah, this was the history for African players about strikers of Premier League in him.
Okay.
Was surpassing everybody. After Obano, now look at the graphic before him. There was Drogba, Giggs, Fowler, Henry, Shearer, Rooney. After Mohamed Salah, this is it. Mohamed Salah Nkwa.
Wow.
Yeah. Mohamed Salah, huge, and I mean himself okay. This representation of the Mohamed Salah, Firmino, and Abrante for Sadio Mane as well. And then that Liverpool team is left to just Virgil van Dijk and Abrante your friend Andy Robertson. He's going to be celebrated across board. Barca want to do everything to do a deal for Abrante your friend Alejandro Bastoni.
Send a quick one. Okay.
They want to do everything for Bastoni. Whatever happens, they want to make sure they finalize the deal for Bastoni. Now, I think Barca's biggest question going into this summer will be if they'll be able to do a deal as crisp as the one they've done for Abrante friend Juan Garcia. Who's that? Juan Garcia buying? He has been clean. Osivio on point, shot stopping, sweeping. Bibi as a goalkeeper is clean. And on your goalkeeper, none more subia. Barca need that one leader of a centre back with Chirodom. And almost everybody is talking about Abrante, your friend Alejandro Bastoni. What a player. Yeah, Barca and I want Bastoni too. Bastoni is on another level.
Okay.
Nobody better their chance, Slotterbeck. You will demand more. Gerard Martin is good. You can play him elsewhere. But Bastoni brings something else to the team. I think that they should do. After they do that, Barca two strikers are struggling to get goals. Ferran Torres in 11 games ain't she go. So they are struggling to get a goal. They have to find somebody that comes in to do the job. Mami first see what I'm on gap. Now, and Uncle Fone said do not let Liam Rossinier go. I think that should be the way forward.
Okay.
Sisia, the Osaki coach, I don't think it's the wise thing to do. But Omwankas and they have to get it right in the summer. You can't get it wrong with Mike Pendes. Wrong with Mike Pendes. They have to get it right.
Okay.
Now,
and I only could be a home.
Me just a couple of them.
And yan intent for Mamma na young Concodin Kobokakra.
Means what? What you may interview, no? Yeah, Fifi man for the social media and also being a coach in our own.
Okay.